Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm a property coach and author. Hi, I'm Lawrence. I'm a property investor and coach. In this series, I'll be taking you through live proposals and analyzing them from the point of view of an investor. Through all the work that I do on my YouTube channel and my books and through my networks, I receive hundreds of emails every month of people asking me to invest in deals or to at least review the proposals they have and give them any advice or feedback. Now, I thought I'd take a couple of these proposals and do a quick video of me reviewing it live. Now, this is not a naming and shaming exercise. I don't mean to badmouth or belittle anyone. I'm purely using this as a practical application to share to others who are watching this channel and who are interested in property investing but not quite sure how to put together a professional invest proposal, on what to look out for and how to approach an investor in the right way. So let's have a look here. This is a 12-bedroom apartment consisting of 6 two-bedroom flats. Okay, so that's great. I like multi-lets, and it's in Forest Hill. Good area. Fully tenanted at the moment. Okay, great. That's good to know. And the owner is selling because he wants to relocate to England, so there's some sort of motivation. The tenants living here are long-term tenants. Okay, this sounds like exactly what I put in my videos, so I hope that's all true. And Landstar Management Company, cool. Okay, asking price, offer price, good discount rate, return on investment of 25%. Let's see. See, there's no personal introduction, which is a bummer. So you must just go to your settings tab or your profile tab on My Property app and put a generic profile or person introduction in there. That would be great. Okay, pictures look good. I know this one. I think. Looks very familiar. Looks nice though. Yeah, looks good. Okay, let's see our cash flow. Rental income of 32,000. I think that might be a bit high. I think you could probably get like 4,950 per 2-bed in Forest Hill. Okay, so it's maybe 10% higher than what I would have budgeted, but yeah. We'll see if you can provide me with like a rent roll or a proof of income in terms of like lease agreements or annual financial statements of the building, and it shows 32. I mean, I'd happily work on that, but that's maybe a bit high. Let's see the bond repayment. Loan to value 90%, that needs to change to 70% because when you're getting, or 80% when you're getting a loan on a multi-let, tends to be a bit higher in terms of risk, so the loan to value goes down. Bond interest, maybe just bump that up to 11%, even though 10.5 is good. Maybe 11%. If you could, Curtly, also create a cash version. So anytime that you're putting a proposal together for an investor, always give the leveraged version or the bond version, the one you've got here, but then also give the cash version. Especially when you're looking at multi-lets, most of the transactions are done with cash and then several months later refinanced. It's just a better way to get more of your money out. Okay, so that bond repayment looks okay. Just change it to 80%. Insurance is fine. Rates and taxes, we obviously need to see proof, so like a utility bill from the city of Johannesburg, for instance. Management, that is a bit too low because it needs to be a percent of the rental, and it needs to be about 9%. That's currently about 5%, so just bump that up a bit. Maintenance, fine. I don't see a void payment here. I know you said that they are good tenants, but you've got here, I see you've got an eviction cost of 90 grand, so I guess that budget could be your void costs for the year. So yeah, maybe I would just put like a 3 or 4% void budget in place. Cash flow looks good. Bond attorney fees, transfer fees, I'm assuming you used Uber, so that must be right. Sourcing fee of 58, I think that's pretty reasonable. I think that's a fair fee for the value of this deal. Obviously, you have to still do a lot of work. You have to give proof of income, proof of expense. You have to get a Lightstone and TPN report. If need be, you might need to get a building inspection report. So there's lots of things that are still required from your end before that sourcing fee gets paid. But in terms of getting or sparking my interest, I would say this is a good deal. Let's see financing requirements. buying the property at 15% discount. So this makes me assume that you haven't done the negotiation or put the offer forward yet, because you're saying it's on the consideration of buying the property. Buying the property at a loan to value of 90%. Okay. Lekker, I think it's good, man.
Are you tired of having more month at the end of your money? It's time to venture into property investing. And although it may seem scary, don't worry. We've created tons of resources to help you get started. From tools that help you analyze deals, to online training courses, to one-on-one specialized coaching. Click the link in the comments below and get started today.